Okay, now that you have the event live, you have to get this on the website. As I mentioned in the previous video, you snag this and you can put it on Facebook, the website, wherever you would like. Here, we're going to do the website. To get onto the website, you have to type, and this is for Morrison Lake, and then you type in administrator. Hit return. I will give you the proper credentials to get in here. You log in. This is the back end of the website. This is where all the magic happens as far as updates and whatnot. So now what I'm looking for are components. So I go to the components. And you can see there's quite a few. I'm looking for events, J events. And this is to tweak one of our tournaments or one of our events that we have a page on our website for. So I hit that, get to here. I want to manage events. Here's a list of all the events. All of these will show up on the calendar. I'm dealing with the Spring Mammoth Hole Tournament. Click that. Okay, so this is all the information for this year. What I need to do though is I need to put register now. So just type register now, bold letters. I want to highlight that, and I'm going to make that font size about 18. There it is, 18. You can see it's bigger now. Now I want them to be able to link to the event in constant contact. Right here, you're going to insert or edit the link. It brings this up, the URL. Now I paste that URL that I grabbed from constant contact. Remember that? I came over here, I grabbed this, I copied it, and then now I'm putting it right here. So I insert that, and I hit save and close. Now let's see here. If I go to Morrison Lake, I go to the Morrison Lake Tournament Series, schedule of events, Spring Mammoth Hole. There's my register now. I click on that. Boom. Now I can sign up for it. And this is what we did earlier, and we are now linked to it within the website. So, a lot goes into making sure all this works. That's just a part of it. And now you know how to do it. And as always, if you have any questions, be sure to let me know.